In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download PowerPoint presentation slides from the Gamma app step by step. If you've created a presentation using Gamma's AI tools and now need it as a PowerPoint file for offline use, sharing, or editing in Microsoft PowerPoint, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the final export step. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app. Once you're on the home page, click on Create with AI. This is where Gamma allows you to generate presentations automatically using artificial intelligence. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your account to continue. After entering the Create section, click on Generate. This option allows you to create a brand new presentation from scratch using AI. Next, you'll need to give your topic. Type in the subject of your presentation clearly and specifically so Gamma can generate relevant slides for you. The more detailed your topic, the better your results will be. Once you've entered your topic, click on Cards and select the number or style of cards you want for your presentation. Cards in Gamma represent your slides, so choose the structure that fits your needs. After selecting your card preferences, click on Generate Outline. Gamma will now create a structured outline for your presentation based on your topic. Review the outline carefully to make sure it matches what you want. Next, click on Text Content and choose the style or depth of content you prefer. You can adjust how detailed or concise you want your slides to be. Then click on Visuals and select a theme. This controls the overall design and layout style of your presentation. Choose a theme that matches your topic and audience. After that, click on Image Art Style and select the visual style for the images in your slides. This helps keep your presentation visually consistent and professional. Now click on Generate. Gamma will take a few moments to create your full presentation. Depending on the length and complexity, this may take a little time, so just wait while it finishes processing. Once your presentation is fully generated, review the slides and make any edits if necessary. When you're ready to download it as a PowerPoint file, look at the top corner and click on Share. In the Share menu, click on Export. This opens the export options available for your presentation. Finally, click on Export to PowerPoint. Gamma will now convert your presentation into a .ppx file. Once the conversion is complete, the PowerPoint file will download to your computer, and you can open it in Microsoft PowerPoint to edit, present, or share offline. And that's it. That's how you download PowerPoint presentation slides from the Gamma app quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.